Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia.
Paul O'Sullivan is going to be subpoenaed by ad hoc saying that Uguti is disrespectful. Because Baklem Uguti he's actually very disrespectful, and for saying Uguti now, after all those claims he had a big mouth, now we can't come. So they like, no, they can't have that. He must just appear in courts actually physically. I'm just like, how is he gonna do that, guys? But Mokgotsi also has been told to come, and Robert McBride is also coming in today, and the former IPID head. Yeah, so but the virtual consultation is a no-no for them. They want people to appear physically. And then I was just surprised ukuthi DA is standing up for him, Paul O'Sullivan. Breitenbach was like, oh no, what if he is actually unalived, guys? What are we gonna do if they do actually assassinate him? I was like, okay, but yeah, in Jalo, guys, they just like, no, we're not having it. People must just come to ad hoc physically. Yeah, because he had a big mouth. Now he needs to, because my thing is that now he needs to answer. My thing is that if it doesn't appear physically, he must never come back. Like to South Africa. Actually, I say UK, Ireland, where he's from originally. Guys, honestly, I mean, abantu sebedlulele manje.